Hey, it's Annie with your latest tech update. You've heard of the global chip shortage, right? There just isn't enough chips being made for all the devices that need them. These days, everything needs a chip. Even your fridge has them. It started during the pandemic as production fell while demand went up. Other events since have made it worse, including extreme weather, the Ukraine war, and a factory fire. But could it affect your business? In a word, yes. Some of the technology you need to run your business isn't available quickly. It might be easy to get hold of many laptops right now, but other devices used behind the scenes, such as network switches, are in short supply. Be aware, prices are going up too. Our advice is to talk to your technology partner and plan ahead. For any upgrade, the earlier you start discussing it, the better. We can help. Get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.